Hi, welcome to our home. My name is Ellen Carey, and I am the creator and founder, along with my husband, of Wet Nose and Bows. And this beautiful little girl right here, this is our senior girl, Callie, and she is 12 years old, and she decided she's going to join me today doing the live. And Barrick's over there. We didn't have the rest of the crew here, but it's just too much. So anyway, let me go over with you about starting our group. We're starting our group. The first class will be on Sunday, March 6th, and the class will be at 2 o'clock. Sign up is ready now. So all you need to do is go to the webpage wetnoseandbows.com, and there will be a link for you to sign up. Once you sign up, you want to go back to Facebook and look for my group, Wet Nose and Bows Presenting Desire to Inspire, and ask to join. Once we receive the email that you have signed up, we will go ahead and accept you into the group. We're still working out a few little bugs, but we've pretty much got that figured out. Now, I want to go over just a couple things. I had some questions, and I'm sorry, honey, I'm going to have to put my glasses on so I can see. I had some questions. First of all, let me thank you all for the last live. We had a huge response. I had a lot of texts and a lot of emails, and just a couple questions that I had via text from the last live. Excuse me, I can't see without my glasses. One of the questions that had been sent was, will I be doing teaching mesh during the teaching group? And the answer to that is no. It's not my strong suit. It's not something I really have experience with. So we're gonna keep the mesh to the folks out there that are really experienced at doing it. Etsy, the selling platforms, again, that is not my strong suit. There are plenty of groups out there that can help you with Etsy and the business coaching aspect of it. That is not what this group will be about. So I just want to give you a heads up before you sign up. The other question that was asked is, what will we be doing in terms of season for this group? This particular series, this will be spring and summer. If we decide to move forward, then we will continue or do fall, and then we will do Christmas. So each series will be a season that we do. So that is pretty much it in terms of what's going to be covered in the group. Once again, the sign up is ready. I will have a link on my Facebook page for you to go ahead and sign up. So we're very excited about this. We're looking forward to getting started. The sign up is ready now. We will have it open until the day classes start. So I believe that's about 3 weeks. Once March 6th gets here at 12 noon, the sign up will be closed. So if you've decided you're going to go ahead and join, we highly recommend that you do it. Again, we're only going to keep it open for a few weeks, and then once the class starts, it will be closed. You will be getting a supply list. Once you go in and you join the group and you come back and get an invite and we accept you, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and start posting in the group. I'd love to see a picture of a wreath and some description, maybe some information about yourself. It'd be a lot of fun for everybody to start getting acquainted before we actually get started on the group, and I will be involved in the group between now and the time the class starts, and of course during the time the class starts, or after the time the class starts. The class will be 2 tutorials, and then 1 at the end of every month. I'm going to be doing a live questions and answers. So we're going to go over what we've done. We're going to look at wreaths. The other 2 tutorials will be lives with me teaching and Regina working. Now, to give you a heads up and something to think about as we go through the first 2 months, my hope is that by the 3rd month, we're going to take everything that we've done and you guys are going to create your own wreath. You're going to design it, and you're going to do the whole thing. And our very, at the end of this series, we're going to do a critique, or we're going to kind of go over, we're going to look at all the images and all the wreaths and kind of see what everybody got out of it. So I'm very excited about it. I'm also going to be doing each month, as you post your work in my group, I'm going to be pulling one person each month as I see your work through the feed that inspires me. You're not going to know who you are. Nobody's going to know who you are. But once I choose this person, I will send you a message and I will request that we do a phone consult. And I would love to talk to you about your wreath. Once we do that, then we will go ahead and post it in the feed. Your name, your wreath, and what about the wreath inspired me. So that's in addition, and I will be doing that once a month. So once again, registration is open. We're looking forward to the group. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Our website is www.wetnoseandbows.com. We're very excited for this. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all and meeting you in my group. Thank you. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Have a good day.
Cool, honey.
Hi. Welcome to our home. My name is Ellen Carey, and everybody's on. That was a pretty crappy video, wasn't it? I don't see it on my page.
Are you on Facebook? So when I went like this, honey, you got to start talking, even though you don't see it.
Okay.
Hey, I don't know what you were seeing, but all this is what you were doing was being picked up.
I think what the problem is, Ellen, is just a network delay. Like when he hits record, it is recording. It's just
Right.
not feeding
And it's
into
gonna-
our
Oh, gotcha.
feeds.
Remember I said there's about a
instantaneous.
9 to 10 second delay? Remember earlier?
That's what I think it is. But yeah.
You're right.
By the time it goes to the Facebook networks and
Birds flying. Good girl. Put your footsies down. Put your footsies down. Head down.
Nice picture.
Okay, we're on. Hi.
so like if you want, to me it seems like if you want to keep up with your comments, you just kind of have to get started, and then 10 seconds.
When I go
15
like this,
seconds,
just start.
then start looking at your feed, and then you'll start getting comments.
You know what?